Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and the world over are observing today, the 5th August, as Youm E Istehsal Kashmir to register their protest against Narendra Modi-led Hindutva Indian government's illegal actions on this day in 2019. The day is being marked as a Black Day, and the people in Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan and the Kashmiri diaspora are holding protest demonstrations, rallies, seminars and other programs. All parties Hurriyat Conference leaders Khadim Hussain and Sayyid Sibte Shabir Qummi have said that 5th August is another day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir on which India launched an attack on Jammu and Kashmir. The unique identity of the Kashmiris have been taken away. According to Kashmir Media Service, in a joint statement in Srinagar, the Hurriyat leaders said India has abolished the special status of Jammu and Kashmir and it has proved it has no respect for international laws. A rally was held on the Constitution Avenue in Islamabad in connection with the Youm E Istehsal Kashmir today to express solidarity with the oppressed Kashmiris and condemn the Indian government's illegal steps of 5th August in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the rally was led by the Prime Minister's advisor on the Kashmir Affairs Qamar Zaman Kaira, Secretary Foreign Affairs, the leadership of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter and the people belonging to different walks of the life participated in the rally. Grave human rights violations including killings, extrajudicial executions, arrest, torture and destruction and snatching of the property witnessed a surge to an alarming proportion in the occupied Kashmir after the Narendra Modi-led Indian government's illegal move of repealing the special status of the territory on 5th August 2019. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today on the completion of 4 years to the Modi government's illegal and unconstitutional move revealed that the Indian troops have martyred 792 Kashmiris, including 16 women, during the period. Secretary General of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, in a press statement issued from the OIC Secretariat Jeddah, has reiterated its call regarding the revocation of all the illegal measures initiated by India on and after 5th August 2019 that aimed at changing the demographic structure of the disputed territory of occupied Kashmir. Indian police arrested dozens of political leaders and activists in occupied Kashmir to stop protests, seminars and conferences. The police arrested several leaders and activists of the People's Democratic Party and National Conference to stop protests and seminars and conferences in the territory. 3 Indian troops were killed in an attack in the Kulgam district. The troops of the Indian Army's 34 Rashtriya Rifles were critically injured in an attack during a cordon and search operation in the district last night. The operation continued till last reports came in. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, in a message on Youm E Istehsal Kashmir, has said Pakistan will continue its moral, political and diplomatic support to the Kashmiris' rightful and just freedom struggle. President Dr. Arif Alvi, in his message on Youm E Istehsal Kashmir, said Pakistan will continue to be voice of the Kashmiri brothers and sisters who had been making invaluable sacrifices and would extend all possible support for the fullest realization of the legitimate rights. Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, in his message on Youm E Istehsal Kashmir, the 5th August, has said that Pakistan will continue to highlight the untouched Indian atrocities in occupied Kashmir at every world forum. Foreign Office spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch has urged the world community to hold India accountable for its grave breaches of the international laws and the war crimes in occupied Kashmir.